Hello and welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to add a page in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. So there are two quick ways to add a new page. The first one is just keep pressing enter on your keyboard until your text reaches a new page. And there you go. Another way is click where you want the page to start. Now go to the insert menu, then scroll down a bit and then click on break, then page break. This jumps your content to a new page instantly. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.